Hi there, I'm Sulin. I'm a naturopath, herbalist and Ayurvedic lifestyle consultant and the creator of Herbal. Welcome! In this recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a herbal dog gravy. This gravy is wonderful for your fur babies to look after their skin, particularly if they have skin allergies, and to support shiny hair, shiny eyes, and general happiness. You'll notice that this is a very cooling and soothing type of recipe. It has a lot of green ingredients. It also will have a really bright green color, which I think is fantastic, good sign. And it also has some Ayurvedic herbs in it to support calming and soothing, particularly good if your pet is a little bit highly strung, like my one. So I really hope that you enjoy this recipe and that it helps your fur baby be happier and healthier. Enjoy.